So this is everything you need to know about removing the weeds from your bricks. Hi, I'm Jane. The best thing about removing weeds from your bricks is you can get aggressive without hurting your garden or your plants. Let's get into it. So we just need to decide on what sort of weed removal method to use. Once you've chosen your method, it's time to start removing the weeds. And there you have it, no more weeds. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.